Hello. Today I will show you how to get bank statement ABN AMRO. So let's start the main video. First, open your browser and go to the official ABN AMRO website. Click on Internet Banking and log in with your identification code and password, or use your ABN AMRO app with QR code to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. From here, go to the Self-Service or Statements and Documents section. This is where ABN AMRO stores your bank statements and other documents. Now select the account for which you want to download the statement. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the correct one. Next, select the time period of the statement you need. For example, last month, last 3 months, or a custom date range. After selecting the period, you'll see the statement option. Click on Download PDF to save it on your computer, or click View if you just want to check it online. Once downloaded, you can keep it for your records or print it directly if you need a hard copy. That's it. Thanks for watching.